Hello everyone, today we will take a detailed look of different type of machine tools used in our industry in our interior visit. By the end of this exercise, we will definitely know about machine measuring.
In this section, we look at micrometer measuring and job measuring with an enlarged frame. Now we see drilling through lathe machine. Now we see the operation of through-hole drilling by the help of lathe machine. And now the hole produced in the component is enlarged with the help of boring tool and boring bar, which is held in tailstock of lathe machine. Also we see the operation of facing on the job by lathe machine. Now also we see the facing and turning operation on the flywheel shape component is done on another machine. Now we notice that the quality of cylindrical job of turning. Now we look at cross speed handling for adjusting. We see wide way milling with the end mill cutter of milling. Immediately remove any metal chips that occur during machining with a press. Now we look at the process of boring with the help of a boring bore in award ice material. And now we are look there is an finishing operation done in both facing and turning operation with reduced speed. Now we noticed that there is a big cylindrical job which is held in big cylindrical lathe machine and performed to do turning operation, and also now we noticed that the work holding device is used to hold the job while on machining. Now we look at there is the machine operator during to perform fine crossfeed movement by adjusting the crossfeed hand wheel with the help of fine adjusting divisions. By using dial test indication, check machinery done job cylindricity surface. Also we see the job facing through a lathe machine. Now we also see there is the another milling machine to perform keyway and T-slot milling operations by using end mill cutter. While on machining, simultaneously remove the produced metal chips by the help of brush because it makes some machining defect on the component. By using a test indication, check the all perfections and equipments. And now there is another machine to perform centering the job for machining by using help of dial test indicator. Also by this dial test indicator method, the job is ensured to accurate centering proper cylindricity with surface finish also. Now we look at the other flywheel thing by facing and turning of a similar effect. And universal surface gauge also used to perform centering the job. Now we look at each machining step and safely methods, equipments, instructions to be carried out while the machine is working. Now we observe to measure the inside diameter of the component by using the vernier caliper inner measuring leads. Now we observe the inside dia measurement with the help of outside. We see job checking in outside with the same vernier caliper. Now we see the machining of cylinders by machining the lathe. Now we are doing simple facing measuring with the help of the expert machine operator and taking suggestions. Now we look at drilling through lathe machine. Here we look at checking the outer diameter of a large ice block with the enlarged view of a special micrometer. Now we observe the front and rear support by accurate looking the turning operation. Then we look at the holes in the outside circumference on a very large milling machine with an accurate setting of the cutter. Now we see they are setting the work face and drilling using the radial drilling machine. Now they facing the jobs zonal using single point cutting tool. Now we observe that they measure outside width by using vernier caliper and measure outer dia with special micrometer. Now we observe that they set another big job material into the lathe machine and facing. Now we are looking at machining with much reduced machine speed, short text of an video of facing and turning job finishing. Now we see the internal step machining of the component by using single point cutting tool. And now we are doing simple facing operations on the component with the assistance of expert machine operator. Now we take inner diameter measuring by using the help of vernier caliper in the presence of machine operational expert. And also we take the outside measurements of component by the help of vernier caliper. Now we see the plain through hole drilling on the component by using a lathe machine. In this, the tailstock applied machine used to hold the drilling tool, and the coolant oil is used to cool the machining area and also used to remove the chips while on machining. Here we look at checking the outer dimensions of large size cylindrical block with the help of a special micrometer with enlarged frame. Now we observe the front and rear support of bigger size cylindrical block for an accurate centering of and also to perform the turning operations. And now we see the operator to control the very fine movement of cutting tool by using special fine adjusting attachment. Then we see there is the another operator having to set a component on a bigger size honing machine used to finish the holes of the component which is produced in the outer circumference. And now the operator can be confirm the free flow of coolant oil and also to measure the diameter of machining area by using vernier caliper. And now we see the honing tool performing the fine finishing on the inner dia out job. Now we see the another machine operator is to make to set the workpiece on the radial drilling machine and also to perform drilling. And the operator having to control the radial lock movement and lock that by using the locking handle. Facing the flange side of the job by the help of a single point cutting tool. And to perform facing. Special micrometer with enlarged frame. And to perform facing the flange side of the job by the help of a single point cutting tool. Recap. Today we reviewed the different types of machines and tools used in factories during our industrial visit. We have gained a thorough understanding of machines, machining process and measuring techniques. Thank you.